Start the host computer burning tutorial of Mellow C5. Let's first introduce the items to be prepared. C5 board. Then M2WE module and M2 SD flasher. Then a USB Type-C data cable. Then let's introduce the M2WE expansion module first. It is an extended version composed of 16 grams eMMC and 5 grams Wi-Fi modules. Introducing the M2 SD flasher again. It can mirror the TF card and M2WE module burning system. We are now using it to burn into M2WE. Same operation for TF card. Open our official website. Review the document. Main board. Then this is the product documentation for Fly C5. Here are all tutorials and materials for Fly C5. We start the system burning of the host computer. This is the system introduction of FlyOS Fast. Here is the operation guide for beginners of the upper computer. Customers who use Mellow products for the first time can check it out. This TF card burns what to prepare. TF card burning, we recommend using a big brand 32 grams memory card. Using a poor quality TF card will cause the system to crash or fail to burn. This is the system download button. FlyOS Fast account, root password Mellow. This is the Mellow custom system, built-in clipper and other components and services unofficial original. Users are not supported to modify and upgrade by themselves. This is the system download tutorial. Click the system mirror to download. Here is clicking the system mirror to download. EXE comes with Windows, and the decompression program is convenient and fast. iOS system, or there is an e-compression tool, you can place the second one. I use the Windows system, I directly download the first one. Just select the system version and default to the latest version. Then we click on the file list. Hold down Shift to scroll the mouse wheel. We can also drag the scroll bar directly. When we see the download button, we click download. After we start downloading, our next step is complete the system download. The second step is to download the burning tool. For Windows users, we recommend Rufus. We recommend Etcher for other systems. In some versions of Etcher, burning cannot be started. You can repeat the burning steps to solve the problem. We click Rufus to download. Just download the portable version. The system has downloaded. This happens. We're going to open it, click More Actions, click Keep. Click Still to keep. Then download the burning software. Then we need to unzip the downloaded image file. Double-click or right-click to open FlyOS Fast H618.exe, select the decompression directory, and click Extract to decompress it. We open the download folder, start operation. Double-click the downloaded image file archive. Administrator authorization, please select Yes. Then we click Extract to start decompression. It will automatically close after decompression is completed. Generate FlyOS Fast H618 file after decompression is completed. Then we open the downloaded Rufus. Jump out of Administrator Authorization, please select Yes. At this point, we need to insert the M2WE or TF card. Remember to plug in USB 3.0, otherwise the burning speed will be very slow. After plugging it in, the device will automatically load it out. You can open it to confirm. Open Rufus and select the device. The capacity should be the same as the burning card. Boot type selection, please select mirror file. The default is that it does not need to be changed. Click the select button and select the unzipped M file. When selected, the boot type will display the image file name. We click the select button. Find and select the unzipped image file. Once selected, the image file name will be displayed. You can check it. Then we click Start. Prompt to clear the disk data and click Confirm. After the operation is completed, it will start burning. Let's wait a moment. After the burning is completed, the computer will have a prompt tone and the progress bar will show ready. Do not pull out the burning card after the burning is completed. Open File Explorer. Check if there is a USB stick or removable disk named FlyasConfig. It can be opened from the USB stick assistant of other software. Slide down to select Flyas configuration. Modify the configuration file first. The settings in the part of the configuration file will only take effect after the first system startup after burning. Try not to use the built-in notepad of Windows system to edit the configuration file. You can use VS Code or other professional text editors. Below is an explanation of Wi-Fi connection. Configure the Wi-Fi credentials here. The host will auto-connect to the network once powered. You can choose your preferred language here. If you buy a flying TFT, then turn it on and it can be displayed directly. You don't need to go into Fluid to debug. Then select your screen model here. This is a normal flying TFT V1. If you interface, after receiving V1, you choose V1. Why are there two versions of the TFT flying here? Because there's a capacitive screen and a resistive screen. Then the TFT screen can be viewed here. Then the capacitive screen is suffixed with C. The resistive screen is suffixed with R. The corresponding screen of the purchase. We have to choose the corresponding configuration. And this is the configuration of the screen. And here's the rotation of the screen. This is hard to find in Clipper, but we let it out here. It is convenient for you to modify the angle you want. If you turn on the display, we're going to open the Clipper screen service. Then it is closed by default. We're going to change it to 1 to turn on the service. This is the configuration of the screen. Okay, let's demonstrate the connection and configuration of the screen. The blue one facing up and cover it up. Then here we connect to the V2 interface, also blue facing up. Then connect it and press it tightly. How can I tell if it is a capacitive screen or a resistive screen? The small square with this is the resistive screen. Without this, it is a capacitive screen. Okay, let's go to the computer to modify the configuration. Open the burned FlyasConf removable disk. Open the file config file. This is Wi-Fi. Enter a Wi-Fi name. Enter Wi-Fi password. As long as the input is correct, it can be automatically connected. After successful connection, you can go to the background of the router to check the IP address. Because each router search method is different, it will not be demonstrated here. This is the name of the host computer. Because we just connected a TF resistive screen, So let's copy fly TF2V2R first. Then delete the default ID. Ctrl plus V paste it on. If we select it, the corresponding correct parameters will light up, which is correct. Then we change clipper screen parameters from 0 to 1. Remember, save and close the profile. Then safely remove the USB. The tutorial ends here. Thank you for watching.